Hey guys, Aiden here with the Lawnmower Kid. So this was on the side of the road. It's an Echo commercial grade weed whacker. So far it's in really good condition, except it's seized. So last night, oh, that tubing fell off. Oh, that's still in good shape though. That's good. I thought the tubing was rotted out, but it's not. That's good. Well, and it's seized, so I put some two-stroke oil in it, like you're supposed to. And I put that in there. And today, we're gonna be trying to turn it over and see. I'm hoping that the piston is gonna all squirt up. So what you need to do to turn it over, you need to take these four things out. Why is there... You need to take that out. So yeah. I'm not sure what size this is. I believe it's this. Nope, one size down. Okay, so sorry the noise in the background. Okay, not that. What size is it? Do I not have the right size? Oh no. I should. Is it in here? What the heck is going on? Do I seriously not have the right size? Uh-oh. Wait. Okay, I don't have... It's a star screw. Whoops. That makes sense. So it's a star screw, apparently. So why is all of this? Okay, there we go. Star screw, I think. I'm outside without a coat on. Yay. This thing is freezing cold. What adapter is it? Is it this? Okay, it's not this apparently. Okay, I can't find the right size that this is supposed to mount to. Yes, I found it. Thank God. Thank God I found it. It scared me for a second. I'm like, wait, can I knock this thing off? Oh no. But no, I got it. Okay, so there we go. We got this. You know, my 5 minutes. So, yeah. It's nice and warm in here and I don't have to be freezing my butt off. No, yeah, that's nice. Jeez, how small is this thing? There we go, that's the size. Okay, there we go. Screw it off. That, and don't be afraid to. The coil won't come out unless you did something to it earlier. So it's not very likely. These are line screws. The other one, those weren't on very tight. Well, you don't want to strip the plastic out. Should probably get a rag. Oh, do I have an 8 now? Well, okay. Can I get a better angle on this? Oh, that's horrible there. I'll just put you guys over here. Jeez, I can't get the thing out. There we go. Okay, so now you guys are out of my way, and I got my impact gun, but I haven't got an extension for it yet. That would have made it a lot quicker. But, by the way, this is a really nice Echo. Well, it doesn't look nice yet. I gotta take the cover off. I've never had a weed whacker this nice, personally. And I prefer 2-cycle. Well, if it's 4-cycle, but I like 2-cycle better, honestly. Because then you don't have to worry about the oil at all. Like, overfilling it. But then also you can, yeah, well, and just got it, there it came out. Now, for some reason, there is one of these, what is it? Why can I not get that out? Jeez, I need to use my pliers to get the thing out. There we go. Well, it's got one of these screws in there, so I gotta get that screw out. I don't know why that would be in there, but anyways. Why is that not coming out? There we go. It's out. See if we can turn this bad boy over. Yep, that's solidly seized. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna get a rag. Where are they? Well, I gotta get them from the garage. There they are. Just get 1 or 2 or 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whatever, yeah. So apparently I flooded it with 2-stroke oil. I don't know. Apparently 2-stroke oil was coming out of the muffler. That should not be coming out there. Well, anyways. That's the biggest that goes. Oh. Whoa, that seat's tight. Oh, I got movement. I unseized it. I got it, I think. I think I got it. Wow, I think I might have actually got it. Okay, well, you guys saw that. I moved it over just a little bit. I unseized it. I got it. I got it. It's unseized. That's how simple that is. Well, you guys saw that. Now I got to start seized. Look at that. That thing moves right over. Yes, well, I guess you get some good finds in the past. So you don't want to give up a seized engine just because it's seized. Well, that was a surprise to me. I didn't think I could unseize it that quick. I probably didn't even need that 2-stroke oil. I mean, that was really easy to unseize. Okay, well, you guys saw that all right. So, yeah, where'd that piece go? Oh, there it is. That was super easy though to unseize that. I wonder if it was just frozen maybe? What's up with this? Well, you guys see, I got it unseized. So my next video will be part 2 of the Echo. Bye.